anyone can relate to this song because the song is about God's faithfulness. God's faithfulness has no limit, so it can touch anyone in any area of your life, from young to old. I hope that this song really teaches everyone and touches everyone and helps them to understand how great God is and how faithful He is towards each and every one of us. So I hope you check out the song and I hope it speaks to you, and it's available on iTunes. Si c'est pas pour Jésus.
Dans yon piège, sans joie, sans direction. Hey, si c'est pas pour Jésus, c'est lui qui change la vie moi complètement. Malgré l'ordre holy, yon seul bagay moi pense moi t'es perdu, mais lui pour moi la vie. C'est lui qui fasse moi jouer.
What's the question?
How does my question start?
How would you describe?
No, what was my... This, oh, okay. The song is... Wait,